Hey, here we are with No Games, members of No Games Tokyo.
Say hello, everybody.
Can you just say a little for the camera about the organization?
About the organization、何人ぐらいいますか、人間。
メンバーだけで言うと賛同団体が、
アクティブメンバーは
ぐらいで、
そうですね。
で81人ぐらいで、しょっちゅう動くのがね、十数人ぐらいかな。
Actually, active members, we have only about a dozen, but we have like support from like some 20 other organizations. So these organizations may not send active like representatives, but they agree with our principles and they support us financially. And also when we have like public forums, these supporting organizations may send some members. And we are from Tokyo, but actually Kaz over there, sitting over there, he was against Nagano Olympics too. So he's been doing this movement for like some 20 years or so, like over 10 years. And Yoshi here is an assembly member of Metropolitan Tokyo Assembly, and she is almost the only one who is against the bid. But as you can see, she is really dedicated and committed and has strong will, and she is prosecuting Governor Ishihara's way of like spending Tokyo people's money. And he has a small business in Tokyo, and he is also concerned about the game's impact on Tokyo citizens. So that's why he's here. I'm an interpreter from Rochester, New York.
Thank you very much. This is Tom Tresser for No Games Chicago. We're sitting with representatives of No Games Tokyo, citizens who've traveled all the way from their country to try to come to influence the members of the IOC, just as we have come all the way from Chicago to deliver our message to the IOC. This is the wrong project for the wrong city at the wrong time.
I'll say something as well. This is Martin Macias from No Games, and I'm really excited to have people from Tokyo here joining us in Copenhagen, and it's exciting to see that it's also an international movement as well. And Kaz has been doing this for a while, so it's exciting to see that there's a history of it, of activism against this thing. Unfortunately, No Games does not take a stance where we're supporting anyone else's bid, so we can't speak for other cities, but it's exciting to hear their points of view, their arguments. And also that we also have the same hairstyle. I don't know if you noticed. So there's already some international solidarity in that sense. So yeah, best of luck to both of us.